Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Wood All Pro team, and I'm excited to show you our newest listing. Come on, let's go check out 3053 State Road AA. Inside you'll find a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan with tons of high-end upgrades, such as this remodeled kitchen with custom cabinets, walnut open shelving, newer HVAC, and a newer roof. This home is situated on 2.5 private acres, but still just 10 minutes from Camdenton. We also have these oversized carports where you can store all your lake toys or campers. As a bonus, we're just 2 miles away from the public access of the Larry R Gale boat ramp. If you'd like more information on this wonderful home, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.